हाय एवरीवन, आप सबका रश्मि एजुकेशन चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको 10th स्टैंडर्ड के लिए कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सोशल साइंस क्वेश्चन बताने जा रही हूँ। तो उसमें से एक अपना है तक्षशिला यूनिवर्सिटी। ये तक्षशिला यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में थोड़े लिखना है आपको, जो मेरे अपने बनाए हुए हैं। Ancient University of Takshashila was located at Rawalpindi of present Pakistan. The renowned University of Takshashila became the greatest learning center in the region and allowed for exchange between people from various cultures. The university was particularly renowned for science, especially medicine and the arts. At ancient Takshashila University, 10,500 students came from within India and outside to be taught by nearly 2,000 master teachers. The curriculum consists of some 68 subjects. Takshashila's famous research and teachers include Panini, the great grammarian of Sanskrit, and expert politician Kautilya got education from this university. Takshashila was the best center for higher education. Normally, students used to stay with Guru to practice. Jivaka, the disciple of Lord Buddha, learned the lessons of Ayurveda here. Education of Vedas, military science, archery, grammar, philosophy, warlore, astronomy, astrology was given here. The archaeological sites of Takshashila was designed a UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 1980. Then another question. Give a detailed information about roadways, drainage system and town planning of Mohenjo-daro. Main features of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. Here, single and double storied houses were seen. Roads were very comfortable. There were two highways in the city, one of the which connected north with south and the other connected east with west. Here, were parallel to the main road. Roads intersected each other at a right angle. Roads and streets were organized in such manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. There were night light system has also been obtained on public roads. There was highly developed and systematic system of disposal of water in Harappan civilization. The water from each house flooded into small sewer and from small sewer to the large sewer. Water from large sewer flooded out from the town. A public bath has been found in Mohenjo-daro. In the center of the public bath is a pond for bathing. Dholabara is an archaeological site located in the Khadribet area in Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. Generally, the Harappan towns are divided into two parts, while the town of Dholabara is divided into three parts: Citadel part, upper town, lower town. The main specialty of Dholabara town is rainwater harvesting system and stadium. Thus, the town planning of Harappan civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned, and efficient. Then another question: explain the technical reforms took place in Indian agriculture. Earlier, farming was carried out by simple and ordinary farm implements like sickle, spade, drink plug, bullock cart, etc. Now, modern implements have entered into the which tractor, trailers, rotavators, etc. are common. In the wheat harvesting, modern equipment like thresher and harvester are used. There is also an increase in the uses of chemical fertilizer, hybrid seeds, insecticides, drip irrigation, and greenhouses, etc. This type of changes taken place in Indian agriculture are known as technical reforms. Here are some point of technical reforms. Nowadays, farmers are used to submersible pumps or monoblock pumps, solar pumps, drip irrigation, and sprinklers. Farmers are used to chemical fertilizers like potash, nitrogen, phosphorus, urea, and other biofertilizer and biotech seeds. Farmers are constantly guided through radio, television, and newspapers. Government also guided through government farm web portals, iKhedut, and AgriMarket mobile app. There is also converted by Gram Sevak about new agricultural research and new technique to the village farmers. A farmer training center is established in every district headquarter to give training to the farmers. Agriculture university and agricultural college are established in every state. There is also national level research center available like Indian Council for Agriculture Research ICAR. थैंक यू। ये आपके इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे, तो बच्चों इसको ज़रूर आप लोग देख लेना।